Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Got a short lesson for you, but very informative. Today we're going to deal with covenant or contract, and let us see what I come up with, the difference between a covenant and a contract. So a contract is binding in the physical, but breakable. Now when we deal with covenant is a coming together in unity, and it is a lifelong promise before God. So both of them are binding. One is binding in the physical only. The other one is not only binding in the physical, but it's also binding in the spiritual. And that is backed by you making the covenant with God as well. So a covenant is God's covenant, and a contract is the world's contract. So that's the difference between covenant and contract. One is spiritual, one is physical. Covenant is not only spiritual, but it is spiritual and physical, where contract is only physical. One incorporates God, and we must be careful when we put God into it. That's a covenant. We can see this, and I'm going to finish this off with Matthew chapter 19 verse 6, so I think you will be able to understand the difference. And so it reads, so they are no longer two but one. God has joined them together, so no one should separate them. That's a covenant that a married couple makes. It's not a contract, it's a covenant. Take care. God bless. Much love.